ducklings hatched out. Let's prepare a warm nest for them. Pull straw and rags into the box. Amazing! Keep up the good work. That's all. The ducks have been swimming in the lake for a long time and are hungry now. Let's feed them. Throw food from the sack to the ducks. Amazing! We did it! Done! The ducks are sated and ready to lay eggs. Collect them in the basket. You're doing really great. You're doing really great. Done! The ducks decided to go for a walk in the yard. Let's collect their feathers in a basket. Amazing! Keep it up. Ready. We've collected enough feathers to make some pillows. Drag the feathers from the basket into the pillow tick. Great! Let's decorate our pillow. Drag the pillowcase you like onto it. Hooray! Great! We did it! Ready.